wish that I could cry, fall upon my knees, find a way to lie about a home I'll never see. It me song of sorrow, but don't be naive. Even heroes have the right to bleed. I need this time, but won't you concede? Even heroes have the right to dream. It's not easy to be me. Up and away, away from me with no light. You can still sleep some night. I'm not crazy. I can't stand around. I'm not just naive. Men were meant to ride with clouds between the knees. I'm only a man in a silly rich ship, digging for kryptonite on this one-way street. Only man and funny rich ship, looking for special things inside of me, inside of me. Inside of me, inside of me, inside of me. Only a man in the funny rich ship, only a man looking for a dream. I'm only a man in the funny rich ship. It's not easy. It's not easy to be me.
It's not easy talaga. Talagang hindi madali.
I remember na nung wala kami dyan sa Toledo, nagpunta kami from Alegria, tapos sabi niya, daan tayo dito sa kung saan ba tayo pupunta? Sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, dito tayo dadaan. Tapos nawala kami. Nawala kami sa Toledo. Tapos yun yung kanta na kinakanta niya. Sabi niya, parang daw, hindi ako kapag kasi nagpapalpitate na ako. Tapos sabi ko, nakarating kami ng Toledo hanggang parang Balambad.
Oo, Balambad.
Oo, punta. Eh, yun yung kanta na lang tayo para kasi gabing-gabi na. Tapos
pero
diba,
sasakyan naman kayo.
Somewhere dyan, layo pa yung kunti na lang yung gas namin. Tapos ang layo-layo pa ng yung gas station. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, baka ubusan tayo ng gas. Sabi niya, yun kaya alam ko yung sitio ninyo kasi dyan kami nag-stop. Sabi niya, dito na kaya tayo matulog. Hindi, maghanap tayo as in. Nagpalpit talaga ako, sabi niya, dahil lang kaya kita sa hospital ko. Ay naku, kakayanin ko to, makakita lang tayo ng highway. As in, yan yung kantang yun. Sige, go for you. Yes.
Ayan. Sana nasabi mo to sa kanya.
2 hours Kara TV.
Kasi kasama kayo eh.
Yes. Smart.
Diba? Pero hindi huli ang lahat. Sasabihin mo sa kanya to. Ay! May contact pa kayo.
Nag-block na ako sa kanya.
Ay, so sad. Ba, hindi ko mapigilan na